ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या है? वी हैव सम वेजिटेबल पोहा फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. इसको हम खाएंगे होममेड कोरिएंडर चटनी के साथ. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो कट अ पोर्शन ऑफ फ्रूट फॉर माई सेल्फ. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, दिस इज ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम. ओ ये क्या, ऑलरेडी फ्रिज में कट पोर्शन ऑफ फ्रूट पड़ा हुआ है. दैट्स क्वाइट कन्वीनियंट. एंड ऑल्सो वी हैव सम कट खीरा फॉर लंच. ओह नीचे लेटर्स भी है कट. क्या बात है यार, मतलब सो वेल स्टॉक्ड. And last but not the least, some chutney. Oh, that's a lot of chutney. This looks like a good breakfast to me. बस protein थोड़ा सा missing है. I think अंडा भी खा लेना चाहिए. This chutney is so good. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
How's your day going?
Nice.
आज breakfast में क्या खाया?
Parathe.
पराठे. All right. I think that must be another package. हाँ जी. Hi.
Namaste ji.
What are you doing today?
Working
On what?
right now on Reels.
That's the spirit.
What?
What? Oh damn! So guys, breakfast was very nice, but I feel like life is all about finding little moments of joy in between your otherwise hectic life. आज मेरी अभी कॉल है, लिटरली 15 मिनट के बाद एक कॉल है किसी क्लाइंट के साथ. बट थोड़ा सा टाइम था तो मैं सोचा चलो थोड़ा सा ऐसे काम करते हैं जिससे थोड़ी सा जॉय मिले मुझे. सो करेंटली आई एम ट्राइंग टू इंस्टॉल अ ड्रिप इरीगेशन मीटर टू माई फ्रंट यार्ड बिकॉज मुझे 2 दिन में कहीं ट्रैवल करने जाना है. एंड ये ऑटोमेटिक ड्रिप इरीगेशन मीटर मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो वी हैव अ मीटर. We have 2 Duracells with it. We have a tap connector and we have some more pipe connectors over here for waterproofing the whole system. And currently I'm going to start off with putting cells inside it. And this thing is actually waterproof because it has a rubber lining along the cell cavity, and that is why it can stay outdoors as well. Now we come to the tap connector जिसके अंदर एक washer भी है, and washer is just going to ensure better waterproofing. Let's go ahead and install this on our tap जो currently पौधों के पीछे फंसा हुआ है. उसके लिए हमें ये साइज स्क्रूज को पहले खोलना है. It's a very easy installation honestly. It's not going to take more than 10 minutes perhaps. Now the problem is यहाँ पे मैं screw tighten कैसे करूँगी इस साइड पे. Okay, perfect. Up next we connect this meter to the tap. You just have to go round and round and round and basically इसके threads के ऊपर इसको बस rotate करना है. Okay, I think this is pretty well sealed. तो पहले ना यहाँ पे एक ये दूसरा टाइमर लगा हुआ था जो मुझे इतना एफिशिएंट नहीं लगता. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली धूप भी आ चुकी है अभी. इट रेन्ड दिस मॉर्निंग बट नाउ इट्स सनी अगेन. तो अब मैं ये दूसरा टाइमर सिस्टम लगा रही हूँ विच इज एक्चुअली मोर एफिशिएंट इन माय ओपिनियन. पहले पाइप सेटअप हो रखी है पूरी. दैट इज कन्वीनियंट बिकॉज नाउ आई डोंट हैव टू डू दैट एटलीस्ट अगेन बिकॉज दैट टेक्स अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ लेट्स टेस्ट दिस आउट. यस, इट्स वर्किंग. देखें, ये देखो ये पानी गिर रहा है यहाँ से. ड्रिप ड्रिप होना शुरू हो गया. तो माइकल क्या हुआ घर पे?
एक्चुअली मेरी सिस्टर स्टेडियम से स्लिप कर गई ना.
Okay.
तो उनके जो नी में लिगामेंट है वो थोड़ा सा टेयर हो गया. तो फिर बस, और उस चक्कर में मेरा वीकेंड जो आराम करने वाला था वो सारे घर के काम मेरे पे शिफ्ट हो गए.
ओह नो.
एक दिन मैंने किया, एक दिन थैंकफुली जीजू भी थे तो थोड़ा हम दोनों ने मिलके कर लिया. मेरी दीदी बहुत काम करती है, मुझे पता चला.
It's hard. Shri, what are you eating?
A sandwich of paratha.
Sandwich of parathas.
Yeah.
Can I see? Last bite left. And what is in between this sandwich?
It's cheesy.
It's a cheesy sandwich.
Yeah.
So this is like a paratha sandwich.
Yeah. Paratha cheese sandwich.
Paratha cheese sandwich.
With a dash of tomato ketchup.
With a dash of tomato
Yes.
ketchup. Oh my god.
Sugar cuisine.
Sugar cuisine. This is what happens when you stay by yourself.
Yeah.
If your mother watches this video, क्या कहेंगी वो?
घर वापस चल.
तो हमने लंच खाया अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. एंड लंच के दौरान एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक निकल के आया बिकॉज श्री वाज टॉकिंग टू अस अबाउट हर हॉस्टल डेज. माय हॉस्टल डेज वर रिलेटिवली मच बिफोर हर ऑब्वियसली, इवन मच बिफोर हर ऑब्वियसली. बट yeah, it's so weird that all of us had an almost similar hostel life. And how was your first college ki hostel life, the one that you told me?
So after school I got admission in one college. Apparently I had to leave because
Apparently क्या you did leave?
yeah, it was really difficult to stay in the hostel. So there were some weird rules. There was no Wi-Fi in the girls hostel only.
ये मेरे हॉस्टल में भी होता था. Like at least first 2 years we had no internet in the girls hostel. It was very weird. Like मतलब obviously some rules were very different for the girls and boys hostel. And हमारा जो first VC था, like I remember in my first year we had a different VC. Second year, third year, fourth year, every year they changed. But जो first VC था, he was so extremely like strict also. One day I was walking outside, he came. He was also walking, so he was asking, "Oh, new student, how are you?" And I was like, "Good sir, good sir." And then he said, "चलो बच्चों, अपना ध्यान ध्यान रखना ऐसे लड़कियां हैं वो लड़कियां हो बाहर मत घूमो ऐसे. So annoying.
In the hostel that I was talking about, in fact, girls were not even served meat.
Non-veg actually generally.
No, they served eggs but not chicken. But boys were served.
ये तो बहुत ही weird rule है. क्यों?
Yeah.
मतलब
Stupidly weird, भी पता नहीं क्या ही है ये.
कुछ colleges होते हैं who are purely vegetarian. Like I know ऐसे some colleges are there जहाँ मतलब it's generally something that is avoided. But ये थोड़ा सा disparity is a little weird. और कैसे था जिसकी वजह से you left that hostel?
Girls used to face issues if they had phone calls after 8 p.m. in the night.
Also phone usage was not
Phone
allowed.
usage and phone calls.
Phone calls were not
Inside the
allowed.
hostel.
Yeah.
Not allowed after 8 p.m.
Not even with your parents.
Maybe not. No.
No, not you couldn't even talk to your parents after 8 p.m. चलो मेरे हॉस्टल में फोन का रूल नहीं था मतलब हॉस्टल के अंदर रहने का रूल था. Like we had a rule that 9 o'clock you have to be inside, go inside the hostel, inside the gates, and then gates were used to get locked. Another issue that we used to have in our hostel was कि ये तो होता था 9 p.m. बंद हो जाता था and we couldn't access food. No delivery persons could come and मतलब उस time पे delivery was not even that common, but no delivery person could come and हमारे कॉलेज के अंदर काफी सारे ऐसे eating places होती थी and some of them were also open through the night. So like हमारे क्लास में ऐसे जितने लड़के थे बात करते थे अरे कल नाइट कैंटीन में ये था कल वो था and I would be like हमारे हॉस्टल में हमें बंद कर दिया जाता है.
तो मेरा कॉलेज काइंड ऑफ ठीक ठाक था लेकिन एंट्री टाइम फॉर गर्ल्स वाज लाइक 1 घंटा पहले लड़कों से. गर्ल्स के लिए इट वाज 7:30 और बॉयज के लिए 8:30 लेकिन वो नाइट आउट भी कर सकते थे.
हाँ तुम्हारे कॉलेज में 6:30.
Yeah. 6:30.
5 o'clock तो कॉलेज खत्म होता है.
Exactly.
6:30 is like
Even sun doesn't set by 6:30, and we had to sit within our hostel rooms. We didn't have anything
अच्छा.
to get hot water from.
हमारे हॉस्टल में होता था वैसे हॉट वाटर सप्लाई होता था बस वाईफाई नहीं था पहले 2 साल मेरे कॉलेज.
Like our water purifier had normal water and cold water, not hot water. So it was a issue on those days of the month as well.
Okay, मतलब कोई hot water access नहीं है
Yeah.
and no kitchen access
No.
also. Also guys, on that note, if you stay in a hostel or you're traveling or you just generally don't have access to hot water bottles or hot water, there's a very cool product by Carmesy which are these cramp relief heat patches. These heat patches are air activated and they heat up in 5 to 15 minutes as soon as you stick them on and they also last for about 8 hours and provide instantaneous relief, especially where you get cramped the most during your periods, which is your lower abdomen. So an easy way of using these is that you tear open this packet and there is an air activated heat patch over here and iska jo sticky side hai, so you peel off this back paper, release paper, and now this sticky side has to go and stick on your underwear just like you use pads, you know, वैसे ही ये use कर सकते हो and it will be on the outside and they're very convenient to use because एक तो they're very handy, they're very easy to carry, but as a precaution do not wear them when you're sleeping and also don't stick it to your skin side. So they come in a pack of 3 in a single box and these retail for 345 rupees, but as an introductory offer on their website these Carmesy cramp relief air activated heat patches are available for 20% off on their website and if you use the code Tanya08 you can get an additional 10% off as well, not only on this but on all of their products on their website and these products are also available on Amazon. What's up guys, what are you doing?
Chilling, post-work chilling.
Did you order food?
Yes, 22 minutes away, 3 minutes ago.
क्या order किया तूने आज?
बता दे रुक जा, मैं भूल गया actually. Something tofu teriyaki roll.
What about you? What you doing?
मेरा भी खाना आ रहा है.
Okay.
नहीं खा रहा क्या जान?
वो
Same cheese.
नहीं. This is black baha bean bowl something हुआ.
Black baha
I was-
beans.
बाबा ब्लैक शीप बीन रोल. Thank you Tanya.
Okay guys, so with this we come to the very end of today's video. Actually kal raat ko I just had dinner with friends and that was it for the day. But before I leave I wanted to read the comments from the last vlog, which is vlog number 64. We are already done with 64 vlogs. I can't believe it honestly. And on that note, the first comment is by Kari which says yay 36 vlogs left, road to 100k, 100 vlogs, not 100k, 100 vlogs. And honestly that makes me really happy कि इतने vlogs हो गए. Wow. Dhaval said Ritika's reaction when Shri said chocolate है. Daisy Mole has said hello to everyone in the vlog, you guys are awesome. Hi. Saksham has said Tanya is an engineer, also a botanist, also a vlogger, also a physicist and a model as well. Wow, I'm flattered at the last one actually because I never consider myself a model. Ella ने कहा है trying to figure out how to pronounce chamomile through comments, but it's the second one. You say smile in the end. Thank you for the comment actually. मिताली ने कहा है I am Bengali but I don't like the smell of Shukti much. I liked your Bengali very much. Thank you. Thanks to Shrushi. I think now I'll keep learning Bengali words here and there. अब तो मुझे शुक्ति मार्च भी पता है. On that note, Sylvia ने कहा है I am also part of Shukti March team. I just love it. Thank you. High five guys. And for today that's it guys. I'll see you next time in another vlog. अगर आप चाहते हैं आपका भी comment हम लोग पढ़ें तो इस vlog के नीचे अपने comments ज़रूर डालें and we will read them in the next vlog. And I will see you tomorrow with an all new video. Bye bye.